Good evening and thank you for choosing KIMA Action News Live at 5. I'm Austin Peppers, filling in for John Kennedy O'Connor. People in certain parts of Yakima County face a higher death rate from air pollution than other parts of Washington, according to a new report from the State Department of Ecology. Reporter Alana Martinez looks at why our region is facing these disparities and what officials are doing to help.
This is the first report released in response to the Climate Commitment Act. What they found is that air pollution hits 16 different vulnerable communities across our state the hardest. Officials say many people within these communities already face a number of inequities, including social, economic, and health.
And what makes their communities most vulnerable from ecology's perspective for this work is that in addition to these injustices, data from our air monitoring network shows that these communities also face more air pollution than other parts of Washington.
People in those vulnerable areas, like the Moxie Valley here behind me, are more likely to have certain health problems, including conditions that affect their heart and lungs. These, however, are not necessarily new findings. What is surprising is the mortality rates.
In this report, we estimate that people who are aged 65 or older are twice as likely to die from air pollution that comes from human sources.
Wildfire smoke in the summer and wood-burning stoves in the winter remain the biggest air polluters for our region. Although Yakima sees the same kind of air pollution as many other parts of the state, experts say our community is situated in a valley, which acts as a funnel that drives and traps air pollution if the air is stagnant. When asking the Department of Ecology if there's any solutions, they tell me they're planning to come to Yakima in the first quarter of 2024 to hear all the concerns from those impacted and expand their air monitoring network in Yakima to gather more area-specific data. With that information, they hope to eventually establish stricter air quality standards to protect the community.
We'll also be designing a new community grant program next year. There'll be $10 million that we'll be allocating across the state based on what communities, tribes, local agencies and government tell us their needs are. We're very open also to their ideas for local solutions.
Thank you so much, Alana. The Moxie Valley, Lower Valley, and East Yakima were all included in the list of the 16 most vulnerable communities. If you live in any of these areas, there's a survey online that you can take to help researchers learn more about your air pollution concerns.
May the new year be blessed with good tidings. Till the next time I see you again. If we must say